Ever wondered if the moon can become a tourist destination one day?
As a matter of fact, it can be a reality in the near future.
I'm Shobana,
And I'm Faris.
and today we are going to talk about an ongoing space project called the International Village on the Moon.
So, here's an overview of our presentation. We will be elaborating on the following.
Who, why, where, when, and how.
This project was planned by an agency called the ESA, or better known as the European Space Agency.
The ESA was founded in 1975 to provide for and to promote, for exclusively peaceful purposes, cooperations among European states in space research and technology.
Alright, let's get down to business. So, the main purpose of building the International Village on the Moon is to facilitate exploration of Mars and beyond. Refueling stations will be available in the village. Through this way, costs can be reduced to travel from the Moon as compared to traveling from Earth. We are talking about $10 billion a year, people.
Furthermore, the construction of the village also aims to pave the development of new technologies and forge partnerships between space agencies and private companies.
I guess right now, you guys will be wondering where on the Moon this village will be built. It will be located on the southern polar region. Why, you may ask? This is due to the fact that water ice is available on the southern polar region, and also it is less exposed to the sun compared to the other parts of the Moon.
In the 2020s, the ESA will send robot workers to pave the way for human explorers to land later. The lunar base is projected to be ready by the 2030s.
Now, we will be explaining how the lunar base will be built.
Here, the lunar lander will be launched from Earth, which contains a cylindrical habitation capsule and two 3D printers.
After it lands, the capsule and robots will be unloaded.
Subsequently, a dome will be inflated to provide support structure for construction.
The lunar base will be constructed by a robot-operated 3D printer which has a scoop, a tank for printing agents, and a robotic arm with a printing head.
The process begins by collecting moon dust to build up a layer to create a protective shell around the dome. This can take up to about 3 Earth months.
The protective shell is made up of hollow closed cellular structure that is light and strong.
Once the construction of the lunar base is complete, it is able to house up to 4 people.
They are protected from UV radiation, meteoroids, and high temperature fluctuations.
There is an airlock, a technical support module, and 3 cupola structures which allow light to enter for living and work spaces.
This is an overview of the lunar base after the whole process is completed.
Now, we will be talking about the implications of the lunar base in the future. Firstly, costs can be reduced to travel to Mars from the Moon. With the lunar base, space exploration can be more efficient because traveling time to any celestial bodies can be greatly reduced.
Here is a short animation. When the Moon is revolving around Earth, and when it is in between Earth and Mars, the distance is nearer to travel to Mars from the Moon compared to traveling from Earth.
The next implication is the consideration of lunar tourism. Moon exploration can be extended to non-astronomers who are interested in it. Though costs to travel to the Moon may be high, what seemed impossible before can be possible in the future.
With that, we conclude our video presentation and hope that you enjoyed it. See
See
you
you
on
on
the
the
Moon!
moon.